Hello everyone, today's recipe is a really simple one. We're just going to learn how to make some turmeric rice. And the first thing that we want to do is to heat up some oil, and then we're going to fry our onions and our garlic in that oil for a bit. Now once the garlic and the onions have become a bit soft, we're going to add our grated turmeric. Now once you've stirred that for a bit, you're going to be adding your rice that you have washed into the pan as well, and we're just going to fry all of that until we get a color that is quite uniform. At this point, you're either going to finish this up by cooking it in a rice cooker, or if you don't have a rice cooker, you can do that over the stove. So just your regular way that you would cook your rice is the same thing that you're going to do. Just make sure that you've added some salt. I have a rice cooker, so I put this in the rice cooker. And that's basically it. It's a really short video just showing you how to make turmeric rice. It smells so good. I just don't know. There's something about turmeric that's really nice to smell. And this recipe is up on the blog as usual. And I will see you on the next one. Happy eating!